I'm not bummed out, I got no one to blame. Nothing to change, I got no evil to fight. One thing for sure, I'm all out of angst. Society don't bother me, and there's something wrong with that. I'm off to Pakistan, learn the laws of Islam and fundamentalism, and get that rock and roll. No cigarette, no drink. In fact, it's difficult to think about getting